is Chris, so welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this. So today we will look at the retrofit of the Command 5S1 and what's needed to do this. And first of all, of course, you need the command with the theft code and new maps with the pin code. Please notice when you buy this unit that if you have rear seat entertainment, you need a special unit for that. As you can see on this standard unit, these connectors are missing. So make sure you have these connectors if you have rear seat entertainment. And then of course you need the new display. And this one, the connectors are exactly the same as the old display. So you don't have to repin anything. And if you have the premium sound system like Harman Kardon or Bang Olufsen, you need to buy this new amplifier. And then of course you need the center console. You need the touchpad. You need the new USB connector, which can be found here. And if you have backup camera, you also need the new high definition backup camera for the 5S1. And then of course, lastly, you need the new frame for the command. And first we remove the center console, of course. Then we do the seats. And that's because the amplifier is placed underneath the seat. And here you can see the new one and the old one. If you have any modules on the optic ring that you're not going to use with the new setup, if you won't use any of these modules, you need to add these loop connectors so that the fiber optic ring is still a ring and not disconnected anywhere, or this will not work. And here you can see the amplifier installed in place.
So now I'm removing this one. You really don't need to remove this one, but since I'm going to run a lot of cables under here, I think I want to do it the correct way. So you just loosen this, take this cable out, take these out on both sides, and it clicks up on the middle like that. And this is also so I can remove the old multimedia connector that goes under all this. A lot of gifts in here. Look at that later. So this is the original multimedia connector that's been removed now since we're doing the Command 5S1. It's good to get rid of that.
And here is the old media interface taken out. And it's horrible to get it out. It's placed under here. And I made my own USB cable. So you can use Apple CarPlay and USB sticks with music and so on. And most important, of course, is that this is the way you update your maps. It's via this USB stick. And now for the reverse camera.
Now you have to run all the cables behind here. Now we're taking it up this pillar, taking it in here, and we need to get it into this one. So we get it out here and out here. This is tricky, but I will make it. So I have removed the panels in the back. Here we have the new cable for the camera. Here we have the new camera. And now we have routed the cables all the way to the front. So here we go. The camera is completely installed. I run the cables like this. Into there, out here, down here, and to the front. So since the new interior have the multimedia kit with the DVD and the rear entertainment screens, I also need to install this kit. So here we have for the connector for the DVD and all the cables. So I will run this as well. Since the car is already taken apart, it's of course a little bit easier. This cable goes like this. You have one cable set goes to the seat, and one goes to the DVD player, and then to the other seat, and also this is for to install in the fuse box over there. So let's do a test now to see if they start. Here's the DVD. Yay! All works. Now let's head back to the command install. So now I've repinned the cord lock with like an extra ground, and repinned the microphone pins to the correct place, and moved the CAN bus and the CAN bus telematics cables, so all is correct, and I also added the correct antennas. And here is the first test of the command, and as you can see I had the coupe version of the menu, so I actually had to do a software update to get the SUV menus. And here I made the test to make sure they worked with the rear seat entertainment. And here it's all finished and installed. Now we just have to add the new facelift trim, and we're done. And here it is, all installed and done. And as you can see, I got the same video source from the front transferred to the rear. And I can also change the DVD menus from here, even though the disc is in the front command.
And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.